Open a web browser and search for Distrosea. Click on the first link. Here, you'll find a huge collection of Linux distributions. You can quickly find your favorite Linux distribution by using the search bar at the top. And the best part is that you can try each one online, right from your web browser. No installation required. Let's try Zorin OS. Choose a Linux version you'd like to try online. Just wait a few seconds for it to load. Now click the Start button to launch the Linux distribution. Click Continue. Wait for the startup process to load. Wow! Here we are on the home screen. What's even more impressive is that you can use almost all of the pre-installed apps right from your browser. Click on Try Zorin OS. Here's the Start menu. Now, let's explore and try out some of the apps available.
Here you can see the App Store. You can even use a fully functional web browser, just like you would on a regular desktop computer.
So try out Linux virtually before installing it on your hardware. It's a great way to test an operating system without setting up a virtual machine like VirtualBox or VMware.